guys, on this one we're going to actually check out on how you can actually grow your crypto with Binance. So we have some actually one of the most savings or staking platforms you can have on crypto, guys. I'm going to show you some the coolest on Binance, which has almost all these exchanges have their own ways in order for you to actually earn some interest on them. Just take them or hold them in many ways. Luna has some of the stuff that you can actually learn, like USDC coin, which I had a video. You can actually check that one. I'll actually leave a link to it on the description on this one as well. So guys, actually what they do right now, but actually try to do this and as quickly as possible. So what we're going to check on to now, we go straight onto finance, then we get onto Binance Earn, right? So once we get onto Binance Earn, so as you can see on ETH 2.0 staking, we're going to earn about 4.9% of it, up to 21.6. Wow, that's a lot, guys. So it's a fixed amount of days you actually get into it. Once you start staking, it's going to be able to take you there, and then you'll see, and then look at a USDT, you see you will get your 6% in 90 days. And then BUSD, your fixed saving, there's about 5.3 then in just 7 days. 7 days. Wow. Man, I don't know what would you want if if in 7 days you get 5%. There's no bank that would actually do that for you. So if I was you, I would actually go onto this, but just remember, I am no financial advisor. Whatever I say, it's just because I just say it. It doesn't mean it's going to work or not. I'm just saying it so you do your own due diligence and make sure you do it because you want to do it, not because I said it, you know. So all I'm saying, guys, I like crypto and I'm just putting up some videos which I actually like doing, because most of the stuff I do, it's the stuff that I actually do. So I'm actually going to do this one, so you get to watch me do this stuff. So you can just, I think I'm actually gonna do this on about tomorrow, and you actually look out for that video. I will actually buy this coin and actually come and stake it here, so that I can actually make this 5.3% in just 7 days without doing anything. That's passive income, guys. I will be banking 5.3% of my money each and every week, right? Just because you see this is in a month, guys, this is about over 20% of my money. So if I actually put it about 100 rand, I'll have about 120. If I put it about 1,000 rand, I'll be having about over 200. That's a lot without doing anything. So it just depends on how much I'm gonna put in and then how much I'm going to get in return. So you can just try it if you want, and remember, I'm no financial advisor. I do this because I like it. So I just want to make the bag and I don't want to make it alone. So let's do this, guys. So thanks for watching, guys, and then I will see you on the next one. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button if you actually like this kind of content. If you have any questions, you can just hit me up on my Twitter and Instagram, or you can just leave a comment and actually tell me what kind of content you would like me to do, guys. I will actually try and do it. And if you have those kind of questions, just throw them on the description below, and I will make sure I get back to them as soon as possible. So I will see you guys on the next one. Ciao ciao.